I'm sounding off my custom siren for the siren test. It is actually a pair of PA horns that I found at the flea market. And I'm here with...
the WX radio collector.
Tarrant County EAS.
Radio Navy 587.
And yes, we're redoing this today. So, let's go ahead and wait for this.
Tarrant, what the fuck are you doing?
Let's go ahead and wait for this. Record. Okay, we got 30 seconds until the sound off begins for the siren. Let me just get my amp ready. I'm doing a thunder mod for this because it sounds better with the Waylands. It'll have a module for it. Okay, we got... They go off at 12. There is about 15 seconds. Or, I don't know.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Let's
6,
get this ready.
5,
Tones?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Why are they not loud? They're not loud! How do you crank them up? Move! Stop! Move! They should be shutting up. There they go. Now I'm gonna do the voice.